Welcome back to my channel. I am Karen from the Made Creative, and I run an e-commerce studio for lifestyle brands where I help them focus on growing their stores through web design, development, and digital strategies. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can rearrange the products in your WooCommerce store so that you can keep them organized in a way that you like. So this could be good if you want to keep like items together. You don't want them like spread out throughout your shop page, because once somebody lands on your shop page, whatever they see is like going to make that lasting impression. So you want to make sure that things make sense when they first see your products. And so this is a quick and easy way on how you can do that and just keep things organized. So what you're going to do is come over to all of your products, and then you're going to click on the product that you want to rearrange. And if you have like 5 products or something like that, now if you wanted to rearrange like a whole bunch of products, this probably is not the best method. But if you have just a few things, this is going to work really well for you. All right, so go into your product, and what you're going to do is come down to the tab section, and you are going to go down to advanced. So click on advanced, and you can see here that you have menu order. So menu order is just corresponding to the numbered order of where you want this product to be. So if you have like 5 products on your store page and you wanted this particular product to be number 3, you would just enter number 3 and then click save. And then that would make sure that it's in the 3rd position on your store. So that's how you can quickly rearrange things in your e-commerce store for WooCommerce. And if you have other further questions or anything like that, then feel free to connect with me either in the comments or hit me up on my website at themadecreative.com. So hopefully you found that helpful and it saves you some time when you are building out your products.